Okay, back against the wall. Walk your feet out a little bit in front just to help you press that lower back hard in against the wall. From there, you're moving straight arms up and overhead. Keep the ribs down. Essentially try to make it so that you can't touch the wall. Get into almost an exaggerated straight back position. Really lock that sternum, those ribs down, so that it's harder to get to an overhead position. Lumbar is pushed hard against the wall. Lift straight arms overhead. 1 second press for a bit more range and back down. Don't let the elbows bend and keep them shoulder width. Next, into some scapular wall slides. Same position with the midline, the spine against the wall. Now we want our elbows, forearms, backs of the hands in contact with the wall. And we're pressing straight up like we're holding an invisible bar. So notice how the hands stay the same distance apart throughout. Press those forearms vertically. If you can't maintain this position against the wall, just work that external rotation, trying to pull the backs of the hands against the wall. Last movement, handstand shrugs. Kicking up, arms shoulder width, elbows locked, and we just get in range through those shoulder blades again. So shrug the shoulders towards the ears and relax. Towards the ears and relax. Going for as much range as possible, not speed. All about range of motion. Place your feet on a box if you find that it's hard to get good range, just to take a little load off the hands. Alright, hands against the wall, about just above hip height, and position yourself so you're in a nice straight line from wrists to elbows to shoulders to hips. And we're just basically going to press down through the middle there. It's important that those shoulders are active, so I'm pressing actively into the wall. Shoulder blades are retracted, so those shoulders are supported and stable as we work through a pretty demanding stretch. You can put a reasonable amount of pressure on here, but don't force it. Okay, back up to the wall, rotating wall bridge. Reach back over one shoulder, up with the other arm, and rotate off. Notice how the fingers rotate to the inside. So reach back, fingers up, rotate them in as you roll off with the other hand. The aim is to have the arms as straight as possible. There'll usually be a slight curve in the elbows. Looking to get movement through thoracic and shoulders. As you get better, start reaching lower, and you can walk the feet out further to get more range, make it a little bit more challenging. Finally, we can try reaching back with two hands for a slightly harder version of that. Working really hard to place the entire palm on the wall, not just a fingertip graze. Alright, set to go.